How to make better use of our time. Brought to you by a dose of motivation and inspiration. Inspiring you daily to follow your dreams. Are you stressed out? Do you feel that you are drowning in the busyness of your daily routine? In this video, I will share 5 fundamental truths that will help us make better use of our time. The modern world have invented more and more time-saving devices. However, the irony is that even with so many of these inventions, in general our lives become much more busier. We do not seem to have enough time to do the things that we want. Day in, day out, with our hectic schedule, we rush to complete one task after another. Work-life balance seems to be an impossible goal. I like to share these 5 fundamental truths will help us make better use of our time, keep us grounded and manage our lives more effectively. Number 1. Time is one of our most precious assets. We need to acknowledge the fundamental truth that time is one of our most, if not the most precious assets. Once time is lost, it can never be recovered. Realizing this truth, we will treasure our time, and strive to make the most use of our time. In fact, when we are wasting our time, we are actually wasting our life. And when we are making better use of our time, we are making better use of our lives. Number 2. Time cannot be managed. Another fundamental truth is that time cannot be managed. What we can manage is the activities that we want to do. In this respect, we need to differentiate between the urgent and the important. The urgent things that require our time now may not be important. In managing our activities, we need to give priority to those activities that are more important. For example, it is not true to say that we have no time to learn a new language. But since learning a new language is not a priority for us, we did not schedule any time for this activity. Therefore, we need to guard our time zealously, and feel comfortable in saying no to things that are not important for us. Number 3. Movement is not progress. When we are busy with our activities and move from task to task, it does not necessarily mean that we are being productive. We are only productive if our busyness produces the outcome that we desire. In fact, focus is needed to ensure that we make use of our time productively. Do not confuse movement with progress. Cut off as much as possible aimless activities in our daily routine. Number 4. Be fully present. We all need to be fully present in order to savor our moment-to-moment experiences. Yesterday is already gone, tomorrow is not here yet, so let us enjoy today. Too often we let the regrets of yesterday, and the fear of tomorrow robbed us of the joys of today. No matter how much guilt that we may have, we cannot change our past. We can change our future only by taking action today. To be fully present, we need to learn from the past and move on and learn to accept the uncertainty that the future brings. Number 5. Each day is a gift and blessing. When we wake up this morning, there are others who unfortunately did not make it. We all do not know when we will die, and in fact we do not even know whether we will still be alive tomorrow. Therefore, we should take each day that we are alive as a gift and be grateful for that gift. Once we have taken this perspective, then we will treasure each precious day given to us. We will strive to make full use of the day. Each day is also a blessing to us, and we can make full use the day to bless others as well. Once we start to treat each day as a gift and blessing, the day will indeed become a gift and blessing. Do you have any other truths that can help us make better use of our time here? Don't forget to share your comments and feedback. Remember, our lives are a gift from our Creator, and how we make use of our lives are our gifts back to Him. Thank you for watching.